Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're at Walgreens and we're here to do some deals for the week of the 19th to the 25th of October. Not a lot of deals going on. That's okay though. That's okay. If you got this booster here, spend 10, get back $10 in Walgreens cash, then you should be able to come up with something that will be a really good deal for you. I did get that booster on one of my accounts. I did notice that not everybody got it, and that is unfortunate. It really, really is unfortunate. I have been in that position a lot where people got really good boosters and I got nada, where people get really good Ibotta rebates and I get nada. You know what I mean? So it definitely does happen to all of us, not just the people that watch the videos, if you know what I mean. There's also something I've seen online where if you check your email, you get an email from Walgreens, which I never check my emails for Walgreens. It takes you to a browser and it shows you about a tiered promotion that you can earn like $20 in Walgreens cash for the different tiers that you do. So I noticed that not everyone got the same tiered promotions. So I seen Jody Dunn, she got spend 20 on paper, get back $3 in Walgreens cash. I seen someone online have one for laundry products. I got one for hair products. So I don't think I'm going to do that one this week. I got one for hair products. Now, if I would have seen this promotion before I went shopping, then I could have combined the two together and did something, but I didn't see that until after I went shopping. And there isn't anything really going on this week for me to get $20 in hair care. So I'll keep my eye out for that. But if the deals aren't there, I'm not going to force the deals. You know what I mean? I'm not going to spend $15 out of pocket to get $3 in Walgreens cash. It just doesn't make sense to me. Now, my next one is, I think, oral care. And then the last one is, I think, deodorant. So I don't think I got the best ones, but I think it's just based on your shopping too. And I haven't been back to shopping at Walgreens for very long, so we'll see. But anyways, let me know what you got. Did you get a booster? Did you get a thing for the tiered promotion? Because my one account didn't get a thing for the tiered promotion. Just didn't. But anyways, let's go inside, guys, and see what we can do.
So we're only doing one transaction today, and of course we're going to grab this Brawny. Do you see how big those rolls are? That's a lot of paper towel. So these are on sale for $6.49, but then they are buy two, get back a $5 register reward, which also I think is crazy. So anyways, we are going to grab two of these, priced at $12.98 for both of them. We have a $1 off digital coupon that we can use, and then we also have $1 on swag bucks that we can use for the other one. So after our $1 digital, we'll pay $11.98. We'll get back a $5 extra buck, but then we'll submit to swag bucks for another $1 back on the other one, and it'll make it $5.98 for both of them, which is an incredible deal. But we're going to be putting this in with our spend 10, get back $10 in Walgreens cash. So next we're going to be doing the Dove hair care. The Dove hair care is on promotion this week for buy two, get back a $4 register reward, and the shampoo is on sale for $5. We're going to grab two of them. That will equal out to $10. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon that we can use, so then we'll pay $6, get back that $4 register reward, making them $2 for both or $1 a piece, which is a really good deal. Now, I wanted to also grab something else, and I wanted to kind of build up my transaction a little bit so that I could also use Walgreens cash to pay and still get back $10 in Walgreens cash. And how we do that is we make sure that our coupons equal the total amount of what our booster is for. So we need to use $10 in coupons. We're already at $5, so now we just need to grab some things and they have to equal out to $5 in coupons that we're going to use. But we're going to grab the Old Spice body wash. They are spend 20, get back $5 register reward. They're on sale for $11. This kind is mismarked at $10.99. So we're going to grab 2 of these, priced at $11 a piece. That's going to equal out to $22. We have a 7 off of 2 digital coupon that we're going to use. Then our total will be $15. We'll get back a $5 register reward, but then we're going to submit our receipt over to Ibotta and get back $2 on each one, making them $6 for both of them, or $3 a piece. I think they're normally like $13.49 at Walgreens. Now don't worry about using Walgreens Cash to Pay because we're getting back register rewards on all of these items. So you can always use Walgreens Cash when you're getting back register rewards. So that's all we're grabbing this week. So these 6 products will cost me $44.98, but then we have a $7 and a $4 and a $1 digital coupon. So that equals out to $12 in digital coupons. We only need to use $10 in digital coupons. So just remember, if you want to use Walgreens Cash to Pay to get back Walgreens Cash on a booster, your coupon total needs to equal out to the amount your booster is. We have a low threshold, which is only spend $10. So it's easy to come up with something that equals out to $10 in digital coupons at Walgreens. We get a lot of high value coupons at Walgreens. When it's spend 45, that is a little bit more tricky and you have to spend a lot. You have to get a big transaction. But when it's low like this, it's really easy and it's easy to learn it. So anyways, that's everything. Let's go out to the car and look at the receipt and see how everything went.
So here's the receipt for my first transaction. We have the Brawny, the Old Spice, and the Dove. Here are my coupons. I have $4, $4, and $5. Those are register rewards. And then there's the 7 off 2 for the Old Spice and the 4 off 2 for the Dove. You don't see the $1 off for the Brawny, so I am going to see about getting that $1 back. And then my total is $20.98, and it should have been $19.98. So my total after coupons, because we don't count the register rewards as money off because it was money earned. So my total is $32.98. I got back my register rewards, and I'll show you those in a minute. I got a $5, a $4, and a $5 register reward. But as you can see here, I did use Walgreens Cash to help lower my out-of-pocket. Now, because my coupons equaled the amount of more than $10, I could use Walgreens Cash to Pay because I also got back $10.34 in Walgreens Cash for my booster. Then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta and got back $4. Submitted my receipt over to Swagbucks and got back another $1. That makes this transaction just $3.64, which is highly insane. So I'm really happy about that. And here are my register rewards. There's $5 for the Old Spice, $4 for the Dove, and $5 for the Brawny. Just watch this register reward right here if you get one today, but you will be able to use it next Sunday because it does expire on the 26th. All right, so we're back in from Walgreens, and there's a couple things I want to talk about. One thing is that my Brawny coupon, like I showed you, didn't come off, but I noticed some other people, theirs didn't come off either. And so I did, the plan was use the $1 digital for one, get the other one off of on Swagbucks, and then you're getting the $2 off instead of one. But I still submitted my receipt to Swagbucks, and it's pending, and it's been pending for a couple of days because, like I said, I did my shopping a few days ago. It's still pending. I don't know why. Sometimes it does that. It'll pend for days and days. Ugh. But other than that, everything was fine and dandy. So one thing I want to talk about is, you know how we have those IVC coupons that not everybody got, and they say they're unlimited, and I used mine last week and then it went away. And it was in my redeemed coupons, and IVC coupons don't go in your redeemed folder after you use them. They stay in like your regular coupon folder. So last week I had an issue with the Tresemme. It was showing in my app and then it was gone. And then, yeah, there was like a time discrepancy there, you know, because I am in the line, it's showing that I have it. And then when I come out here and do my math, it's gone and it didn't come off on my receipt and it was really weird. And someone said, look, you know, from that video, someone said, hey, look in your folder. It's probably there again. That's what happened to mine. So of course I went running over to look in my folder and it still wasn't there. But a few days later, it popped back up. But then I seen a thing, and it is true, that if you have one of those IBC coupons and it's in your redeemed folder, you can actually go into your redeemed folder where your coupons are. I really can't show you that well because I didn't like screen record myself doing this, which I probably should have. So you go into your redeemed folder and it's all grayed out, like you can't use it. But if you tap on the coupon, it'll pop back up like you're viewing the coupon that you haven't clipped yet. And there's a plus sign there and you can clip the coupon again and it'll go back into your regular folders, coupon folders. Odd stuff, I'm telling you, very odd stuff. But that's if you've used that Dove coupon or the Tresemme coupon and you want to do the deal again or a similar deal, try it. I bet you it'll work. I bet you it'll work. So I was really excited about that because it doesn't expire for a little bit longer. And you know, maybe there's a good deal next week we can use for the Dove or the Tresemme. We'll see. We shall see. But anyways, I've already used my Dove coupon, so there's really not much I can use on it. Maybe we'll see. We'll see. You never know. You never know. But anyways, that's really all I have for you today, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a good day. Let me know down below what you got. I love to hear what you guys have bought. And we'll see you again soon. Bye, guys.